first stop is a safari through Africa. Imagine right now that you are standing in the African rainforest. If you look below you, you can see that you're standing in a running brook of water. And if you look above, all you can see is a dense canopy of trees and the land that is home to half of the species of all the animals in the world. In the African tongue, they would say, "What yes? Jesus is here. Van almal de helecha," which means Jesus is Lord of all, and God reigns here. Now, from the depths of the jungle, you can hear some strange music. It bears witness with your spirit. Come with me as we join an African worship service.
Lord of all the land and sea, Lord of all the earth, Lord of all the land and sea, Lord of all the earth. Hey, oh, hey, oh, Lord of all the land and sea, hey, oh, Lord of all the earth.
Now all the neighbors join in
to sing, Lord of all the land and sea, Lord of all the earth, Lord of all the land and sea, Lord of all the earth.
Always remember, cow, roo, and jungle do not eat animals. Now the next place we're going to visit, you might see delicately painted houses, mystical castles, and picturesque landscape. Come with me as we see what God is doing new in Germany. Hier the Opera Park in Hamburg, Germany. We are here with the boys of the band, and this is my dog, Schnitzel. Sit over, huh? Sit, dog, roll over. Give me a ball. But then go home. You can't be in the band. Go back at the cuckoo clock. Okay, boys, play. For the Lord. The Spirit of Jesus is working on you. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. The Holy Spirit, the earth cannot see. Praise the Lord. 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 Our God. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. When I was a little boy, my mama Heidi used to sing to me like this. Was deinen Geist leben, sehr hart und voll. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Der Geist ist leer mit Freude, vergiss mich uns, ja. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Everybody, praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Our God, praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Come on, Fräuleins, praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Go home, Bina, go home. What is this crazy German Shepherd? Bina, don't play. Bina, don't, not this my shoe. Bina, no. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see what God is doing new south of the border. Come with me as we go to Tijuana, Mexico. Now you see like all the jugglers and troubles come down like from East LA. And the restaurant go, "Hey, vatos, let's the uno, yes sir, vato." See, like, we like to praise the Lord, man. Well, like when our music plays, it comes out something like this. God is with me, but it's home
tesoro, Dios está en mí, porque mi alma me conoce, yo le he prometido vida, donde vive. God is with me, God is for me, but I tell you most of all, God is in me. For he loves me, he knows me, and I promise I will do for he's there wherever you are, near or far. God is with me, God is for me, but I tell you most of all is my Lord. God is with me, God is for me, but I tell you most of all is my Lord. God is with me, God is for me, but I tell you most of all He's in my heart. The next place we're going, you might see the sculptures of Michelangelo. You might see the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Come with me as we go to a place I'm most familiar with, a land called Italy. You know, like when my relatives would get together, you know, and they'd say, Carmelo, just sing us a song. I'd get together, Carmelo, Maziara, Camasino, we might sit out on one of the sedatives, and we'd sing something like this, if we were ever to get a lot. Come sogno che mare, come sogno che di quando comincia a il sogno Now in English, I need you more than ever now. I need you more than ever now. Lord, I need you more today than when I first knew you. I need you more than ever now. The next place we're going to go is one of the most enchanting places you will ever visit. It seems foreign even though it's still part of the United States. Come with me now as we go and visit the Pacific paradise of Hawaii. We're going to see what God is doing new over there. Now they would say, Himolele ke Akua, which means holy is the Lord. Now if they were sitting out on the beach one night and fire was going, and they were going to sing a praise song for God, it might come out something like this. They'd say, oh, say, worthy
And sing holy is the Lord. Hello? Now before we go anywhere else, I want you right now close the door to the Western world. Come with me as we see what God is doing new in the People's Republic of China. If you were to hear them sing a song about Jesus Christ being the way, the truth, and the life, and the only way to get to God, it might come out something like this, in an Italian singing Chinese. From Africa to Germany, Mexico to Italy to Hawaii to China. How many want to see what God is doing new here in the United States of America? Now we're going to do that now. We're going to take a trip to New York City. This time we're going to go Detroit, Michigan. Here we are, standing on one of the streets. The place some people know is Motown, the home of some of the greatest soul singers of all time. I think there's somebody getting crazy around here now. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to see how God moves to a little black church on the outskirts of Detroit. Now, it's Pentecost Sunday, so get ready. We're going to get down and we're going to have some church.